Okay guys, we're live. This is for the 11th day of Christmas. This second last one, 1:46 p.m. Eastern. Going on my list. Copy it over. Names over. Oops. Go 3 times in the clubhouse. 1:46 p.m. Eastern, first random. 1:46 p.m. Eastern, second random. Gone 2 times. 1:46 p.m. Eastern, third and final random, guys. Good luck. Barry Hutt wins the 11th day of Christmas after 3 times. 11:46 p.m. Eastern. Congratulations, Barry. I have your address from the last set of auctions, so I will get that out to you in the mail. Just let me update the list before I close it all off, guys. So Barry Hutt wins that one. We are done. Time is 1:47 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys. Number 12 is up, as most of you know, and it will be the final one. Merry Christmas, everyone.